grow, just with myself. I don't wanna grow.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you ladies how to take your closure from a 0 to 100. So if you are interested, continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I will be using these deep wave, beautiful deep wave bundles from I Am Royalty Boutique Hair, and the inches are 322 inches and a 20-inch 6x6 closure. I believe it's either 6x6 or 5x5, but it's a really nice closure. So basically the first thing I'm doing is I'm combing the hair back, and then I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to part it in the section that I want to part it in, or wear it in rather. This is very crucial when you are about to pluck, because you do not want to over pluck your part. That's step one. Now once you have the part, you're just going to section off one side, and you're going to start with the side that's still out in the open. I like to do mine in sections just because it's much easier. I'm going to take my water bottle, just pure water, nothing mixed in it, and again taking that rat tail comb, and I am combing that section back. You want to push all the hair back so that you can see exactly what you're working with. Now to the nitty gritty. Take your tweezers, guys, and make sure that they are sharp. I promise you this will make a huge difference. I purchased mine from Walmart if you wanted to know. So as you can see, I am plucking section by section in this one section. So when I do pluck the hair from the hairline, mind you, I'm plucking behind the hairline for starters. I do not pluck directly in the front. I'm plucking behind those hairs in the front. So as I'm plucking, I am skipping over a piece of hair, if that makes sense. And mind you, I don't pluck in that one section for a long time. I probably do like 5 to 6 strokes in that one section, and then I move on to the next section. So you guys can see I'm going section by section, skipping over a piece of hair, going to the next piece of hair, a piece of hair going over to the next one. So that's as simple as I can put it. I do hope that you guys understand, but that is super crucial to not pluck next to each other, because it's just going to create a bald spot. So you can see exactly what it's looking like right now. Now I like to create a gradient effect with my closure. I want my closures to look like frontals. So I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to section off, I want to say like 1/2 inch from the front of the closure, pushing the rest of the hair back. And we're going to repeat the same process as we did in the beginning, plucking the exact same way, section by section, further behind the hairline. So yes, this is still technically us plucking behind the hairline, but we're just going even further back in the closure, but not too far back, because of course we don't want to bald the closure. So again, I'm taking my tweezers and I'm doing small sections at a time, not over plucking each section as I go.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
So as I'm combing it back, you guys can see that gradient effect that I'm talking about, which is what we want. But I take it an even extra step, and I go ahead and I pluck over what I already plucked. Now, this is not over plucking, trust me, because my hand strokes are very light. It's just the tweezers that, you know, are sharp to create that nice effect. But I'm not over plucking too harshly. I just like to re-pluck the front. If you don't do this, I feel like your closure will look like this, and I just don't want y'all's closures to look like this. So just try to pluck it just a little bit more in the front, again still behind the hairline, and you guys will see a major difference, I promise you. Now another key tip is to go in with your hot comb. I will link this hot comb down below. I linked it in my last video, but this hot comb is very essential to creating that really nice crisp gradient effect, you guys. It's just all about gradiency, just all about, is that a word? I don't know. But it's just all about creating that nice gradient effect. You want your closure to look like a frontal, period. I kid you not, like that's what it needs to look like. So just run that hot comb through. Make sure it's not too hot, because you don't want to burn the lace, of course. And you guys can see the really nice effect already. Like, that's really all you need. And to amp it up even one more notch, because I'm just extra, but to amp it up, take your wax stick. This is the one that I use from the beauty supply store, real cheap. Take that, spread it across the hairline, and then you're gonna hot comb it back again, and you guys can see that melt, like ultra melt this time. So yeah, that is really all you need to do. Super simple, super easy, and I repeat those same steps on the other side of the closure that I pinned back, and then we're done. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys got something out of it, a couple of tips. I hope that I helped in any way that I could have. This is the final result of the wig. If you guys would like to keep watching these hair videos, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Can I take you there?